Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on yoga for our hips. So we're just going to be starting in standing position. Inhale, rise the arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knees slightly, hinge forward at the hip and come down into a forward fold. Inhale and exhale into a half forward fold and exhale back down to a forward fold. Step the left foot back, coming into a low lunge, hands on the hips. Push that right knee forward, making sure that it keeps in line with the ankle. So we're opening the hip flexors. Focus on your inhale and your exhale. Raise the arms up to the sky and hold. Float the arms down and then start to rock forward and back, extending out that right leg, stretching the hamstrings and the calves. And then holding and breathing deeply, making sure you're extending from the bottom of the spine, pushing forward from the hip. So you're creating length. Inhale. And then just walk the right foot outwards and take the right hand and just start to open up that right knee. Limbering backwards and forwards. And then bring your hands to center. Just extend that left leg back a little bit, keeping a bend in the right knee. And come onto your forearms and kick up with the left leg. So you're just pushing that heel away from you. And hold here. If you find this too difficult or you're too tight on your hips, just come back up onto the hands and drop the knee down. Swing that right leg back and just push the bottom back now into extended child and take a moment to find your integrity and breathing. Coming up onto all fours, just part the knees and push backwards as if we were going into an extended or a child's pose, but we're coming into our frog pose here, and this is a really good hip opener. And just breathe deeply here. Okay, this time step the left leg forward and start to limber up and down. And then come into your low lunge, hands on the hips. As we limber in our low lunge, backwards and forwards. Inhale, raise the arms up to the sky. Float them back down. And now we're going to start really stretching again now, the left hamstrings and the calf muscle, but also the hips. And then we hold here, extension in the spine, relaxing the neck down, and breathe deeply. Inhale, walk that left foot out, bring the hands to center. And again, limbering up, pushing away that left knee from the body. Take your time with this. Bring your hands to center. Again, keeping the arms extended, looking forward. or lowering to the forearms and pushing, kicking up onto the toes, just pushing back with that heel and lowering the head. This is our lizard pose. Come back to center, just kick that left leg back and come into extended child's pose again. Have a bit of movement here, maybe rock from side to side. Inhale, raise the arms up to the sky, and then come onto all fours and kick back into downward facing dog. Just take a moment here to stretch out now, the back, the arms, the legs. Kick the right foot up into the air and just come into your forward fold, step it forward to the top of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale, raise the arms to the sky, and then back down to your heart center. Thank you so much for watching today. I do hope that this has been of benefit to you, and if it has, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thanks.